Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video on how you can fix my eyes only not working or loading issue on Snapchat. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, let me show you how you can actually operate my eyes only. For that, you need to open up your Snapchat application, and after that you need to click on this icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you click on the icon, you'll be taken to the memory page. Right on top, you'll need to swipe towards the left hand side and click on my eyes only. Once you do this, you'll need to enter in your password in order to see your photos or videos that you've saved on your my eyes only. Once you type in your password, you'll be able to see the photos and videos that you've stored on this page. For example, let's say that if you had a lot of photos or videos that is stored on my eyes only and you're unable to access it, then the first reason might be your internet connection. If you have an unstable internet connection or if you have a poor connection, then it might be one of the reasons why you're unable to access the photos or why it is not working. So you need to check your internet connection, or you need to refresh it by going to the settings page, and after that you can turn off your Wi-Fi for 20 seconds and you might be able to fix it. If you haven't updated your application for a while, then it might be the reason. So in order to update it, you need to open up your Play Store application or your Google Play Store, and on the search box type in Snapchat. Once you type in Snapchat, and after that you'll be taken to the Snapchat page. Now instead of open, if you have update, which means that the update is available and you'll need to update the application. If updating your application doesn't seem to be working, then other thing what you can do is you can simply long press on your Snapchat application and then tap on the eye icon or the app info page. Once you do this, now you'll need to click on storage and cache. Once you've done this, you need to click on clear cache and clear storage. So before you clear your storage or data, make sure that you know your login credential, as this will log you out of your account and you'll need to re-log in into your account. Despite of following all of these procedures, if you're still unable to fix it, then the last alternative is that you can simply delete the application and after that reinstall your Snapchat application, and along with that you can also restart your device. Once you've done this, this might be able to fix the issue all at once. So in this way you can fix Snapchat my eyes only not loading or working issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching.